What if your bank account kept growing even while you were asleep? While you were at the gym, watching Netflix, or sitting at your regular job, money was coming in from somewhere else entirely. That is what passive income actually is. And before you roll your eyes and think this is another one of those videos promising you'll get rich by doing nothing, it's not. Real passive income takes real work upfront, but once it is built, it can pay you for months or even years without you having to do much at all. And the best part about everything in this video, you do not need a single dollar to start any of it. No investment, no savings, no startup capital, just time, effort, and consistency. So let's get into it. 5 passive income streams you can build, starting today with absolutely zero money. Number 1, YouTube. Yes, the same platform you are watching right now is one of the most powerful passive income machines ever created. Here's how it works. You create a video once, you upload it once, and then that video sits on YouTube and keeps getting watched, keeps getting ads served on it, and keeps earning you money for months or years after you made it. That is the definition of passive. A video you made 2 years ago can still be earning you money this week. Now the honest part, it takes time to build. YouTube does not start paying you until you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. For most people, that takes 6 months to a year of consistent uploading. But once you cross that threshold and get monetized, the income starts stacking, and every new video you upload is another asset working for you. The key is picking a niche you can talk about consistently: finance, health, cooking, tech, self-improvement, and showing up every week. You do not need a camera. You do not need fancy equipment. A smartphone and free editing software is enough to start. The barrier to entry is $0. The only thing it costs is your time. Number 2, digital products. This one is genuinely underrated, and most people have no idea how powerful it is. A digital product is something you create once and sell unlimited times with zero extra effort. No inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing cost. Once it exists, every sale is almost pure profit. Think about what you already know. Are you good at budgeting? Create a budgeting spreadsheet template and sell it. Are you good at graphic design? Create social media templates and sell them. Are you a student who figured out a great study system? Turn it into a PDF guide and sell it. Are you a good writer? Create resume templates, workout plans, meal planners, business proposal templates. The list is endless. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip let you upload and sell digital products for free. You create the product once, list it, and every time someone finds it and buys it, money hits your account. No extra work from you. People are making thousands of dollars a month selling simple PDF guides and Canva templates they built in a weekend. The startup cost is $0. All it requires is knowledge you probably already have and a few hours to package it properly. Number 3, print on demand. Most people hear the word merchandise and immediately think you need money to buy inventory upfront. You don't. Print on demand completely eliminates that problem. Here is how it works. You design something, a quote, a graphic, an illustration, and you upload it to a platform like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, or Printful. When a customer orders a product with your design on it, the platform prints it, ships it, and handles all the customer service. You receive a percentage of the sale. You never touch the product. You never hold inventory. You never pack a box. Your only job is to create the designs and upload them. And the designs themselves can be made for free using Canva or other free design tools. Now, the income per sale is not huge. You might make $3 to $7 per item sold. But if you have hundreds of designs across multiple platforms, those small amounts add up into something meaningful. Some creators have thousands of designs sitting on these platforms, earning them money every single month without lifting a finger. The startup cost is $0. The ceiling depends entirely on how many designs you are willing to create. Number 4, affiliate marketing. This one might be the most scalable passive income stream on this entire list. Affiliate marketing means you recommend someone else's product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You do not create the product. You do not handle the customer. You do not deal with returns or support. You just share a link and earn a cut of every sale that comes through it. Companies like Amazon, Airbnb, Skillshare, and thousands of others have free affiliate programs that anyone can join. Here's how you actually make money with it. You create content, a blog post, a YouTube video, a social media page, a newsletter, and inside that content, you include your affiliate links naturally. Someone reads your blog post about the best budgeting apps, clicks your link, signs up for the app, and you earn a commission. Forever. That blog post you wrote 2 years ago is still sending people to that link and still earning you money. The key to affiliate marketing is trust. You need an audience, even a small one, that trusts your recommendations. That means picking products you actually believe in and being upfront that you earn a commission. You can build a simple free blog on platforms like Medium or a free website through Wix or WordPress. You can start a TikTok or Instagram page around a niche. Any platform where you can build an audience and share links works. $0 to start. Just content and consistency. Number 5, licensing your skills or content. This one sounds complicated, but it is actually one of the simplest ideas on this list. If you have a skill, a photo, a piece of music, a piece of writing, or any kind of creative work, you can license it and get paid every time someone uses it. Let's break that down with some real examples. If you enjoy photography, you can upload your photos to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Every time a business, a blogger, or a designer downloads your photo to use in their project, you earn a royalty. You took the photo once, you uploaded it once, it earns you money indefinitely. If you make music or even just beats on your phone or laptop, you can upload them to platforms like Audio Jungle or Pond5, where filmmakers and content creators pay to license your music for their projects. If you are a writer, you can write articles and license them through content platforms. The common thread in all of these is the same. You create something once, you put it on the right platform, and it generates income every time someone chooses to use it. Your creative work becomes an asset that keeps paying you without any additional effort on your part. Now, here's the most important thing to understand about passive income. None of these are get-rich-quick schemes. Every single one of them requires real work at the start. You have to create the videos, build the product, design the templates, write the content, or take the photos. That upfront work is the price you pay instead of money. But once that work is done and the asset is built, it starts working for you around the clock. While you sleep, while you work your regular job, while you take a vacation. The goal is to build enough of these income streams that they start to meaningfully add to your regular income. And then eventually, if you stay consistent and keep building, they can replace it entirely. That is financial freedom. Not winning the lottery, not a secret hack, just building assets that generate income without requiring your constant time and attention. So pick one, just one from this list. Start it this week. It does not need to be perfect. It does not need to make money right away. It just needs to be started. Because a year from now, you will either wish you had started today or you will be glad that you did.